Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is saying consider the function f of x this. Great. Statement 1 domain of f of x is singleton. Statement 2 range of f of x is singleton. Okay, so you have to find out the range and the domain of this function. So, it is NCR. First, I will tell you something about NCR. The n has to be natural number. Okay, r has to be whole number. Okay, and your n should be greater than equal to r. So these 3 points you have to take care of. Okay, now I will play with first part, that x plus 1, this has to be natural number, upper subscript. So can I say that greater than equal to 1 means x should be greater than equal to 0. So first point is x should be greater than equal to 0. Second part, 2x minus 8 has to be whole number. So can I say greater than equal to 0? So can I say that x should be greater than equal to 4? This is your second point. Now, third point, the upper subscript has to be greater than or equal to the lower subscript. Correct? Now this x will go that side, will become minus x. So it will become x, and this 8 will come this side, so it will become 9. You have to take care of all the three things. So your number should be greater than 0 as well as greater than 4. So to take care of both, the number has to be greater than 4 and it should be smaller than 9. So can I say that it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the domain for first part. Now you have to take care of second part. Okay, so in second part it is first thing 2x minus 8, it has to be natural number, so greater than equal to 1. So x has to be greater than equal to, this is 9 by 2, 4.5. Great, this is the first point. Second point, x plus 1 has to be greater than equal to 0, whole number. So x has to be greater than equal to minus 1. To take care of both, can I say that the number has to be greater than 4.5? Now third point, the upper subscript 2x minus 8 has to be greater than equal to x plus 1. Now this x will come this side, so minus x, so it will become x. This will go to that side, so it will become 9. So x has to be, and if you'll observe here now, everything is greater than equal to 9. So can I say that x has to be 9, 10, 11, dot dot dot, it will continue. But you have to take care of both. Take care of both means what? Intersection. Intersection means what? Required x equals. So if you'll take intersection, you will find that only 9 is satisfying. So can I say that required x is 9? So only one value is true. This means domain is singleton set. Now think about the range. So required y. So if x is 9, so can I say that 10c 10 into 10c 10, and 10c 10 is what? 1. If you have to break down this NCR now, you can write n factorial by r factorial r minus 1 factorial. So it is 10 factorial by 10 factorial into 0 factorial, 10 factorial by 10 factorial into 0 factorial, so it will become 1. So in range also you will get only one thing all the time, that is 1. Hence the range is also a singleton set. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.